Hey there, science fans. Today we're talking about something crucial to keeping our bodies running smoothly: blood pressure. It's a term we hear often, but do we really understand its importance? You might have heard about it from your doctor or even seen those blood pressure monitors at the pharmacy. But there's more to it than just numbers on a screen. But what is blood pressure and why should we care? Well, it's all about the force our blood exerts on the walls of our blood vessels, those amazing highways that carry blood throughout our bodies. Imagine our blood vessels as a network of roads and highways. Just like these roads need to be well maintained for traffic to flow smoothly, our blood vessels need the right amount of pressure to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our body. If the pressure is too high, it's like having too many cars on the road, causing traffic jams and potential damage. Our vessels might get overworked and strained. On the other hand, if the pressure is too low, it's like having too few cars, and essential supplies can't reach their destinations. Our cells might not get what they need to thrive. So, maintaining the right blood pressure is crucial for our overall health. It's a delicate balance that keeps our bodies functioning optimally. So you see, blood pressure is a big deal. It's not just about avoiding heart attacks or strokes, it's about ensuring every part of our body gets the nutrients and oxygen it needs. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this vital sign and learn how to keep it in a healthy range. We'll explore tips, tricks, and lifestyle changes that can make a big difference. Imagine a garden hose with water flowing through it. The water pushing against the hose's sides is like your blood pressure. This pressure is what keeps your blood moving from your heart to the rest of your body. Every time your heart beats, it pumps blood, creating pressure on your artery walls. This pressure isn't constant though. It changes depending on whether your heart is contracting or relaxing. That's why we measure blood pressure with two numbers, systolic and diastolic. Think of them as the high and low points of pressure within your blood vessels. The first number you see when you get your blood pressure checked is the systolic pressure. This number represents the pressure in your arteries when your heart muscle contracts and pushes blood out. Imagine squeezing a water balloon. The pressure inside increases, right? That's similar to what happens in your arteries when your heart contracts. The systolic pressure tells us how much force is exerted on your artery walls during this powerful squeeze. Keeping your systolic pressure within a healthy range is important to protect your arteries from wear and tear over time. Section 4. Taking a breather, diastolic pressure and what it means. Now, let's talk about the second number, the diastolic pressure. This is a crucial aspect of your overall blood pressure reading. This number reflects the pressure in your arteries when your heart is relaxing between beats, filling up with blood for the next pump. It's a measure of how much pressure your blood is exerting against your artery walls when the heart is at rest. Going back to our water balloon example, imagine slowly releasing the pressure after squeezing it. The balloon starts to relax, but it doesn't go completely flat. The balloon doesn't completely deflate, right? There's still some air left inside, maintaining a certain level of pressure. There's still some pressure inside. This residual pressure is similar to what happens in your arteries. Similarly, even when your heart is resting, there's still pressure in your arteries. This is the diastolic pressure, and it plays a vital role in your circulatory system. This pressure is essential because it ensures continuous blood flow throughout your body, even between heartbeats. Without it, your organs and tissues wouldn't receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Section 5, 120/80ths, decoding the numbers. You've probably heard the numbers 120/80 when talking about blood pressure. These numbers are often mentioned in medical checkups and health discussions. This is the ideal blood pressure reading for most adults. It indicates that your heart and blood vessels are functioning well. But what do these numbers actually mean? Understanding them can help you take better care of your health. The top number, 120, represents the systolic pressure, the pressure when your heart contracts. This is the force your heart exerts to pump blood through your arteries. The bottom number, 80, represents the diastolic pressure, the pressure when your heart relaxes. This is the pressure in your arteries between beats. Think of it like a dance. Your heart contracts, systolic, pushing blood out, then relaxes, diastolic, letting blood back in, ready for the next beat. This rhythmic cycle is essential for life. This constant push and pull keeps your blood flowing and your body functioning properly. Maintaining a healthy blood pressure is crucial for overall well-being.